Okay, we're inside now, so we're going to go through the stock. Most of the stock in here has been put up online, and what I will do is I will put all the adverts to all the bikes in the description, so if you see something you like, it's going to be down there, listed down below, that you can click on and go straight in. So we do have a few projects here. There's a Honda 90 that's getting front shocks done, and this little Tacti that's getting a new cylinder put in. Apart from that, the rest of the bikes are fine. So Honda Little Cub 50 in red and white. We have a CD 175, or a Noddy as they're called over here in Ireland. We have the Honda VT Spada 250, the last one we have left. The other one has been sold. The Yamaha R400, the famous one, who's going to be in the Bank of, or AIB, I believe, AIB advert coming up soon. We still have our fully electric, our first ever fully electric Artisan EV2000H. Next to it then is a bike that's going to get done up. It's not ready for sale yet. It's a Abruzzi, or a Nico Abruzzi 125, kind of a Vespa mock-up, I guess. It's going cheap, 2019 I believe as well. Honda FTR 223 in blue. Then you have the Honda GB 250, the first of two bikes. This is a Honda, this actually bike isn't up for sale because we're debating whether we want to keep it because they are so rare. Is a Honda Trial 90. It's a 1960s bike, a very, very hard got, and it does have this isn't the original one, but we do have the original extra fuel tank that you can put on the side, which is worth its weight in gold and those things. Over here then is a Ducati 400 SS Super Sport, very rare, only seen in 900. I know it does have 900 on it, they're just stickers. It's a 400, and probably the only one in Ireland. We then have a Honda 50, our last of our Honda 50s, I believe. We've no more. So this is our last one. It's actually a Press Cub 50, so that means it has larger front basket, larger rear rack, and has a second front headlamp as well on it. Next to that we have a really gorgeous one of two Chali 50s. We have one in red and one in blue. We then have the original Honda or Kawasaki Ninja, or GPX 250 as they're known as well. Then next to it is our project Yamaha R400. Not going to say too much on that. Our super mint museum quality Honda CB125S, which we do have a video up of. As I said, if you have any interest in the bikes I've seen here, they will be listed down below with a link to their corresponding video. Honda CG125 2007, going cheap, $12.50 I believe. Honda FTR 223 in white. Kawasaki ZZR 400. We then have the beast of the Yamaha VMAX 1700, not the 1200, new version, which has been discontinued. And then we have a Yamaha Majesty, or as they're known in Japan as the Maxim. Yamaha Maxim 250, kind of a spaceship 250 scooter. The Honda CBR 125R, Yamaha SRV 250. We then have our Sidecar Project, which is not going to be finished anytime soon. The Vespa 50cc Twist and Go 4-stroke. And we then have the Suzuki ST100, I think it is. The Chali, the second of the Chalis with the basket in red. Yamaha Nias 50. And here we have a Honda CB400 SS alongside the Honda GB 250 Clubman. So that's it for all the bikes that are in here. Actually, there's two more forgotten. Honda CB125S JX version with the front disc in orange with very low kilometers. We have two. We have one in blue, one in orange. One is probably more. This one is probably more the original of the two. That one has the clip-ons, but is essentially, if you got the original handlebars, back to original condition, original side panels, everything like that. Really nice condition, 1971 bike. This is another project that we have the minute. It's a Honda CB400 4, so 4-cylinder, usually red if you know them well, and the really beautiful Honda CBR 600F Sport. Really, really nice bike. If I was to recommend a bike for someone who just wants it to look good, doesn't want to have much trouble, get on, ride it every day, and then can go up and do spins on a Sunday as well, that's the bike for you. So that's it for this stock update for Inside for March and April. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Again, all the bikes down in the description. Also comment down below on your favourite in here, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.